All right, next problem with swimwear. Where did I leave off this one? We just did the highlight in the waist. How can I find a one piece that's both great for swimming and genuinely sexy? I really like this question, and it'll probably, for some, it'll probably be like long winded and thought provoking, but what defines sexy to you? Not everyone is trying to be scantily clad. Not everyone's trying to be Megan Thee Stallion. Some women just want to be modest and just have a nice little tease of skin, or just keep it classy, or maybe they want to show off a little bit of their body because they've been working hard on their weight journey. There's just so many different ways to be sexy. I mean, look at the woman behind me right here. I mean, would this be sexy for you? I don't, there's just so many different ways to define it, but that is something that I would ask for you to define what sexy is. Or I would tell you to go on Pinterest and create a board of what is sexy so I know the direction. That is definitely something that I have clients do before we even meet, so we can kind of just unravel what is too much and what is not enough, so that I don't under perform on my services. But once you define that, I definitely would say shop through the internet. There's just so many different ways. Instagram, I don't like Instagram, but Instagram and Pinterest, I would say, are two tools that are great for shopping and kind of just browse through. Just type in swimwear, and also TikTok. How can I forget about TikTok? We're right here. But those are three places that you can just browse through, or just go through there's just so many different things. I would truly need to know the foundation of the question, which is, what is sexy to you? If this is not sexy enough to you, then I would know where to start. I'm gonna just keep saying it over and over again. I do strategic styling. I'm not for the masses. That's why I don't crank out a lot of content or try to chase the trends, because I am truly trying to dress people so that they can position themselves for the long term, not short term, long term. If you just want a quick little fix, I'm not your girl. Not your girl. But yeah, those are the two things I would ask. That's, yeah, knowing what sexy is, where the starting point. I need to know the foundation of what is too sexy and what is not sexy enough. And I think if anybody can like just comment down below and be like, this is sexy for me.